Today we will study how we will represent digital data by using digital signals. So there are three techniques. First one is line coding, block coding and scrambling. Generally we always need that line coding technique, and block coding and scrambling may and may not be need. So first we will have to study some common characteristics of these line coding schemes. So what are those common characteristics? First one is signal, difference between signal element and data element. We have already studied that signal data element are what we need to send. Means it is our message signal that जो हमें भेजना है send. And signal element are what we can send. Means signal elements are the carriers. Okay. Data elements are what we need to send, and signal elements are the carrier. So we can see from here two data elements, these are the two data elements 0 and 1 are sent using only one signal element. So two data elements per one signal, एक सिग्नल हम भेज रहे हैं टू डाटा एलिमेंट्स को. इन सच केस r is equal to 2. We can analogy for that is two persons are traveling in a car. कार पूलिंग करी है उन्होंने और दो पर्सन एक ही कार में ट्रैवल कर रहे थे. दैट इज द analogy for car, and these are two persons. So two persons are traveling on a single car. So we can say that for such cases r equal to 2. R we have already studied that r is the ratio of number of data element carried by each signal element. In this case number of data element is 1 and 2, 0 and 1. So 2 data element and signal element is 1. So 2 by 1, so r is equal to 2. In this case one data element is carried by two signals, 1 and 2, two signals, और data element सिर्फ एक है. So this is r equal to 1 by 2. Next one is the data rate and signal rate. Data rate, or we can say that is also bit rate, number of data elements or bits sent in 1 second, that is data rate or bit rate. Its unit is bits per second, bps we can say. So signal rate is number of signal elements sent in 1 second. So analogy for that is that what is our goal? Our goal should be in data communication is to increase the data rate. That data rate means 0 1 more data elements we have to send while decreasing the signal rate. कम सिग्नल्स के अंदर ज़्यादा डाटा एलिमेंट को सेंड करना, ये हमारा गोल होना चाहिए. सो इंक्रीज इन डाटा रेट इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन, एंड डिक्रीज द सिग्नल रेट डिक्रीज द बैंडविड्थ रिक्वायरमेंट. So here we have the relationship between data rate and signal rate. So S is the signal rate. So S is given by C into N into 1 by R bird. So where N is the data rate, which is in bits per second. C is the case factor that is given. S is the number of signal elements, and R is the ratio of data element by signal element. So bandwidth is what? Bandwidth is the maximum frequency minus minimum frequency. It is the range of frequency. So bandwidth is proportional to signal rate, as we have seen in the previous cases, that decrease in signal rate, decrease in the bandwidth. So it is proportional to bandwidth. So bandwidth, minimum bandwidth is C into में N into में 1 by R. और maximum data rate can be taken from here, and maximum is equal to 1 by C into में B into में R.